Assalamu alaikum to all the listeners. Hope you all are fine. I am Miss Namra here to teach you about tenses. So let's move towards our next slide, which is about tense. Tense is basically the time itself. And as we all are aware, the time is having just three types. Those are present, which is about today. The second one is past, which is about yesterday, and third and the last type of the time is future, which is about tomorrow that will come. And in this lecture, we will just discuss the present tense, because we have four aspects of present time. Those are present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. So let's move our first aspect of present tense, which is present indefinite tense. Let's have the definition of it. This tense shows that an action is taking place in the present time. So the action is taking place here in the present time. So whenever we discuss these two things, the action which is taking place and in the present time, so that action that is called present indefinite tense. And this tense is about habitual action of a person, or we can say the universal truth, or about a daily routine. These three things for these three things we use present indefinite tense. The helping verb of present indefinite tense are does and do, which are going to help us in order to clear our sense that yes, this is the present indefinite tense, and the action verb form will be the first one. Yes, with the addition of SES and IES in just affirmative sentences when we are having third person singular subjects. With the third person singular subjects, we always use SES or IES with the first form of verb in the positive sentences, neither in the negative sentence nor interrogative one. Let's move towards the syntax of present indefinite tense. The very first structure is about the positive sentence, that is subject plus first form of verb plus object. This structure is just for first person and second persons, and the third person structure is after or, which is subject plus first form of verb with the addition of SES or IES plus object. In the negative, we have subject, then we have do or does, and after that we have not, and then we have first form of verb, and then object. Why we are not going to have here the addition of SES or IES? Because we have already done it with do. Do is actually the first form of verb, and in this is the helping verb of present indefinite, and in this we are already added ES whenever, and this helping verb does is the helping verb for she, he, it, or any singular name, which we call the third person singular. The next structure is of interrogative sentences. First, we will write here do or does at the initial stage, as this is the interrogative structure. Then we have subject, first form of verb, and then we have object, and after object we have to put question mark. Let's move towards our last structure, which is of negative plus interrogative one. So now here the sentence will remain same, but just the need to add not after subject. Or let's say between subject and first form of verb, you have to put not, because that is negative plus interrogative sentence. Let's have some examples of present indefinite tense. The very first is the affirmative sentences. The first sentence is, they always prefer English language for discussion. The sentence could be used by a teacher for those students who always prefer English language in their class discussion. The second sentence is again the positive one. He teaches maths in English, he teaches maths in class 7. So here we have an example of the third person singular, which is he, and after he we add es with the first form of verb. Now let's move towards the negative sentences. Example, they do not prefer English language for discussion. It also could be happen that there are some students who never prefer English language in their classes, so for those students the sentence could be used. The second sentence is, he doesn't teach maths in English class because he teaches English. The second last sentence is about the interrogative one, which is, does she complete her schoolwork? The last sentence is the negative plus interrogative sentence. That is, does she not complete her schoolwork? These all are the examples of present indefinite tense. Let's move toward the second aspect of present time, which is continuous tense. This tense is about the work which is continuously going on in the present time. So the action which is continuously going on in this time, today, so that tense is present continuous tense. The second name of present continuous tense is progressive tense. Why we call it progressive? Because here the action is still in progress, that isn't done. The helping verb of present continuous tense are is and are. We have three helping verbs. According to the subjects, we will put these helping verbs. As with is, he, she, it, or the singular name will be included. With am, we just have liberty to put I. And with are, we have they, you, and we. Fourth form will be used in present continuous sentences as an action verb. And yes, we have one main important point here, that static verbs are not used in the continuous sentences. For example, hate, think, test, etc. Let's have the syntax of the present continuous sentences. Subject plus is, am, are plus first form of verb plus object. This is the structure of affirmative sentence. And keep one thing in your mind, that whenever we have continuous term, so we have to have fourth form of verb with that. Because without fourth form, there isn't any continuous sentence. Now let's move towards the second structure, which is of negative one. Subject plus is, am, or are plus not, and then we have first form plus ing, then we have object. The interrogative structure is just the same one. We have to put all these helping verbs at the initial stage and before the subject, let's say, and in the end, we have to put question mark. The last structure is the same one, just need to put not between fourth form of verb and subject. So after subject we have not, and the sentence remains same. Let's have an example. In affirmative sentences, I will say, I am completing my science project. So right now I am doing my task, which has assigned by my teacher. So I could say I am completing my science project. So no need to disturb me, okay? Don't disturb me. On the other hand, we have the same sentence in the negative. I am not completing my science project, because you are not in mood to complete it. Okay. Now the second last sentence is interrogative one. Is Ramesa's mother scolding her? Now the negative and interrogative structure. Is Ramesa's mother not scolding her? Let's